Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you an easy, creamy ice cream recipe. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a bowl and come in with about 250 grams of whipped cream. I'll add some vanilla essence to taste. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip it up till it turns fluffy. Next, I'll come in with some condensed milk. Now, if you want it sweeter, just add more. But if you want it less sweet, just add less. I'll come in with my spoon and mix everything up. I'll cover it up with a plastic wrap and put it in the freezer. I'll leave it in overnight. So it's the next morning and it is ready. I'll just come in with my scoop and scoop out some ice cream. I'll go ahead and sprinkle on some cocoa powder. And yes, here we are. You definitely need to give this a try. It's so delicious. You only need a few ingredients and you're good to go. So I hope I did help you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.